The recently released arrest affidavit of suspected Idaho killer Brian Kohberger is leading to even more questions. However, we do have a better sense of a timeline. Based on evidence detailed in the affidavit, it's believed the murders occurred around 4 a.m. Nearby security footage picks up disturbing sounds within that same time frame. And of course, we know at least one of the surviving roommates saw the killer, a masked man, leaving the home. I want to bring in criminal defense attorney Joseph Tully now. Mr. Tully, good morning. Thank you for joining us.
Good morning. Thank you.
So one of the biggest pieces of evidence police seem to have is DNA from a knife sheath. A button on that sheath contained DNA, and that DNA came back as belonging to a Kohberger, and in this case, they believe Brian Kohberger. So how does the defense work around that?
It's very difficult. I think that there's always an argument of transfer. You don't know who, you know that there's definitely a link between the knife and Kohberger's DNA, but you don't know how, necessarily as much how that knife sheath got to the apartment. It could have been somebody else. It could have been that he touched it at some point, but it's, it was somebody else. So that's the only possible avenue there for a defense.
They have not found the murder weapon as well either, that knife that might have gone in that sheath. I think that's important to note. But let me ask you this. Another piece of evidence here is those cell phone pings. They believed that the cell phone puts Kohberger in the area of the murders multiple times before they took place and then in the immediate aftermath of it. But I also know that in recent years, cell phone data has sort of come into question, especially by folks like yourself, defense attorneys. So where are we right now with cell phone technology, and how accurate are cell phone pings into giving us specific details on people's locations?
I think that cell phone data can be just as damning as DNA data. And I think the combination here will create a very compelling case for the prosecution. Cell phone data is reliable and it does come into court. It is circumstantial because unless you have an actual video of the person, it could be somebody else using the phone. It could be just somebody in that area because it's not very specific in terms of actual location, but in terms of general location, it is certainly used in court all the time very effectively.
Now, I know you don't have access to this hypothetical client in this case, but if you were Kohberger's attorney, how are you poking holes in the case made by this affidavit?
So again, what I've seen laid out is it's a pretty strong circumstantial case. The first thing that you do because he's facing death is to try to save your client's life. It's a triage question. So that would be top priority. Do whatever it takes, plead to everything, plead up front, quick, take responsibility just to save your client's life. There's that strategy. If the client insists on questioning his innocence and trying to assert his innocence in court, then you end up in trial and you have reasonable doubt. And you just argue to whatever extent the facts allow you to, that the government did not prove their case beyond a reasonable doubt, that there is a doubt out there. But I think in this case, that would be a pretty tough road at this point.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.